Well, my name's Iain. I'm retired. I used to run a business. I've had problems with high myopia for many, many years. From the age of 7 years old, I've had to wear glasses. A friend who I known who'd had this procedure done out with the UK, I was chatting to him on the telephone, and I mentioned the cataract operation I was going to go through with the National Health. He commented that he'd thrown his glasses away when he had the procedure done in Casablanca. I was a bit confused, only to find out that they will not offer intraocular lens implants on the National Health. So obviously, if I was going to go to the trouble of having the cataract operation done, it made sense to have my eyesight improved as well. Everyone put me completely at ease. I'm not a hero in any sense of the word. I'm positively squeamish. I had no idea what the operation involved, but all the staff I dealt with there, those who tested my eyesight, those who explained the procedure to me, and on the same day I met Sanjay Mantri, the consultant, and they were all marvellous. It was explained to me with my high myopia, there were very small risks. Clearly I'm susceptible to retinal tears or degeneration. And Sanjay mentioned to me that it was very, very unlikely that this would cause any problem, but there was the possibility. I still decided that the benefits well outweighed the risk. It was like going into a 5-star hotel. It was absolutely brilliant. I had to show up an hour or two before the procedure. The nursing staff came out and gave me various drops and things prior to the procedure. Sanjay then came around and went over things again, which is very kind of him. And then I was taken down to the theatre, an 18-minute procedure, and back having a cup of tea and sandwiches, and told just to put my feet up until I felt ready to go. This has made a huge difference to something that's a very important part of my life. I spend a lot of time motorcycling around Europe, and recently came back via the Republic of Ireland. I had been getting to the stage with my contact lenses and my cataract that it was taking longer to work out what road signs said. And if you're travelling at a certain speed and you're in a certain lane and you don't pick up on the road sign until you're too close to the sign, basically it meant many detours. Since the procedure, I'm flying. It's really given me back my sight. I can't remember in the whole of my lifetime being able to see as clearly as this.